Hey there, design enthusiasts. Welcome to BX20 Graphic Design Masterpiece. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of colors and their hidden meanings. First up, we have red. Red symbolizes energy, passion, and danger. It's the color of fire and blood, making it both powerful and attention-grabbing. Think of it as the ultimate call to action. Next, we've got white. White signifies purity, innocence, and cleanliness. It's often linked to new beginnings and is commonly seen in weddings, hospitals, and even angels. It's the blank canvas that holds endless possibilities. Now let's talk about purple. Purple is synonymous with royalty and luxury. It's also a color that sparks creativity and mystery. Imagine the richness of a velvet curtain or the intrigue of a magical twilight. Then there's blue. Blue is all about calmness, serenity, and trust. It draws inspiration from the sky and the sea, encompassing depth and stability. It's the color of wisdom, confidence, and intelligence. All right, let's move on to color theory. Color theory is a set of guidelines that designers use to communicate through appealing color schemes. It's all about using a color wheel and understanding human psychology and culture to pick the best colors every time. Let's break down some key concepts. First, analogous colors. These are groups of colors that sit next to each other on the color wheel. For example, red, orange, and red-orange. They create harmonious and pleasing designs by corresponding to something particular. Next, we have monochromatic colors. These are all the colors of a single hue. Monochromatic schemes come from one base hue and are extended using shades, tones, and tints. By adding white, gray, or black, you can create depth and interest while keeping it cohesive. Lastly, let's talk complementary colors. These are colors that are opposite each other on the color wheel. Think of blue and orange or red and green. They create high contrast and stand out, perfect for making elements pop. And there you have it, a quick dive into the meanings of popular colors and some basics of color theory. Remember, as designers, color is one of our most powerful tools. Use it wisely and let it elevate your designs to new heights. Thanks for tuning in to BX20 Graphic Design Masterpiece. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design tips and tricks. Until next time, keep creating.